Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwat, and today we will be talking about calculated column versus measure in Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is an analytical software that will help you in understanding your dataset through different visualization in different data models. Now let us go further and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. So in this video we will particularly talk about 3 points. In the first topic, we will cover what is calculated column. In the second, we will talk about what is measure. And thirdly, we will tell you what is the difference between calculated column and measures. To understand this concept of Power BI Desktop, let us go further and see what is actually the calculated column. So if you have seen my previous videos, you have encountered the thing I have talked about more in my videos, that is calculated columns. So calculated column are basically when we perform an operation that generate result for each row of your table, that is called as a calculated column. For an example, if I want to generate a total revenue, in my previous videos I have done this thing, and if you want to see that, you can go to my previous videos. In that I have generated a total revenue by combining revenue A and revenue B through DAX language. So in that specifically two rows generated the result of third row. That means when the whole column is seen as a one thing, then each row particularly combined are a result of a two rows. That means that is a calculated column because specifically each row result into a result of each row, and that directly result into a calculated column. While on the other hand, when we return a single result of calculation or an aggregated value, example can be said as an average, is called a measure. So this is quite clear according to me. So what is the difference between them? So when you use a row wise specific result, it is using or can be quoted as a calculated column. Or when you measure the single result or calculation of an aggregated value, that means you are calculated like a sum, average, minimum, maximum. These are like aggregation of the whole column, not specifically to each row. When it is specific to each row, it is calculated in a calculated column, while the result, which is single and aggregate, is called measure. So this is a difference between calculated column and measure. I hope your definition and concept of calculated column and measure are much more clearer. If you want to understand more into detail, you can go to my videos and see how does these things work. Now, so with this point, I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries got cleared. And if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.